Hello there. Today we're going to cover an essential routine for CPAP users, cleaning your CPAP equipment and machine. If you or a loved one rely on a CPAP device to manage obstructive sleep apnea, this is for you. Keeping your equipment clean is crucial. Not only does it help prevent buildup of bacteria, but it also extends the lifespan of your supplies. Let's get started. First up, let's clean your trusty CPAP mask. The key to a good night's sleep. It's important to clean this daily. Grab some mild soap and water, detach the mask from its base, and give it a gentle wipe down with your soapy solution. Don't forget to clean the base too. Once it's done, place it where it can air dry. You want it to be ready for bedtime. Next, we have your CPAP tubing. You want to clean this once a week. Create a solution by mixing 10 parts water and 1 part vinegar. Submerge the tubing in the solution for about 30 minutes. This keeps things clean and fresh. Afterward, hang it up to dry on a hook or a hanger so it's ready to use that night. Now let's talk about your humidifier chamber. This goes through the same 30-minute treatment as the tubing. Submerge the chamber in the water and the vinegar solution. This step helps ensure your humidifier stays hygienic. Once it's had its soak, allow it to dry on your countertop. Moving on to the heart of your CPAP equipment, the CPAP machine itself. You'll want to clean the external parts regularly. With a soft, damp cloth, give the external parts of your CPAP machine a wipe down. This removes any buildup and ensures it stays in good condition. Last but not least, those important air filters. Your CPAP machine comes with these and they need regular attention. Make sure to replace your air filters according to your manufacturer's recommendations. Keeping them fresh ensures your CPAP machine functions optimally. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to cleaning your CPAP equipment and machine. Regular cleaning not only promotes better hygiene, but it also helps your CPAP function properly. Remember, a little care goes a long way in ensuring comfortable and healthy sleep.